Alright guys, good morning. This is Fernando here with Bevel Traders. Once again, trading falling angel setup. And this morning, like Friday, we took this setup and it was really good, really profitable. Great entry. So let's break it down. And Bev was in the watch list this morning, also on the scanners. Had a really good, decent pre-market chart. So we're watching it. At the open, it sold off. A lot of volume on the sell-off, and then on the second sell-off, the volume kind of disappeared a little bit. As you can see, here's less volume on the sell-off than on the initial one at 9:30. Again, you can see these huge wicks here around the VWAP. That's again maybe a good sign for you to start thinking about a falling angel or a red to green move. Anticipating that, I got in again. I try to get in as close as possible to the VWAP, but I got here at 665, 663. Good entry nonetheless, but right after that, I was watching it for the break of 675. You can see volume start picking it up. This thing just exploded up. So I sold some here at 680, sold some more at 705, some more at 713, 728, and the rest at 718. Again guys, really simple setup, same as last Friday. You see the initial sell off. This thing is gapping up, and then some people call it gap up, sell off, or long sell washout. There's a lot of names for it, but we had a really decent pre-market chart here, and this thing sell off, like sold off like it doesn't mean to sell off. You see, it's a decent candle, but on the second candle you see the volume, it's kind of gone. You see this huge wick here right at the VWAP, and then if you get in here, you have a good risk reward. If it goes below the VWAP again on the second candle, you get out with a small loss, but it's worth it taking a starter here, and that's what I did. So pretty simple setup, good day. I stopped at that for today because I had to run, but that's it. Falling angel. Again, if you guys have any questions, go check out the forum at bearbulltraders.com. Come hang out in the chat room. And that's all. Thank you.